Hello friends, welcome to an existing journey into the world of the solid state chemistry with Avinash sir. Together we will delve into the fascinating properties and the structure that defines solids. Matter exists in three fundamental states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid are characterized by a definite shape and volume. Thanks to strong intramolecular forces in this presentation, we will explore the general characteristic classification, unit cell and defects of solid. Solid possesses unique characteristics such as the defined shape and the volume, high density, low compressibility, rigidity and the strong intramolecular forces. This property makes solid distinct from liquids and gases. Crystalline solids are defined by their long range order and sharp melting points. Examples include common substances like NaCl and quartz will exhibit a structured arrangement of particles. In contrast, amorphous solids display short range order and do not have sharp melting points. Materials such as glass and plastic fall into the category, so causing a more random arrangement of particles. Crystal lattice represent the 3D arrangement of particles in civil unit cell or the smallest repeating unit in a crystal. Understanding the type of unit cell such as a simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic is crucial for grasping solid structures. Packing solid involves the efficient arrangement of the spheres with types like a hexagonal closed packing and cubic closed packing. The packing efficiency varies with face-centered cubic structures achieving up to 74% efficiency. Voids in solid refer to the interstitial space between the packed sphere. This can be tetrahedral or octahedral voids with a specific relation between the number of tetrahedral voids and sphere influencing the overall structures. And imperfection in a solid such as a point defects play a significant role in alternating property. Vacancy defects, interstitial defects, Frankel defects and Schottky defects are the common type that affect the arrangement and the behavior of particles. Impurity defects and electronic defects further influence the property of solid. The defects can lead to variation in the electrical conductivity and other characteristics, making them crucial in material science. Solid exhibits a range of electrical and magnetic property including conductor, semiconductor and insulator magnetic property such as a diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferromagnetic behavior are essential for various applications. The application of solid are vast, spanning semiconductors in the electronics, superconductor in power transmission, magnetic materials in a strong device and the crystal in the optical instrumental. This use highlight the importance of the understanding solid state chemistry. In summary, solids are defined by their definite shape and volume with the types of including crystalline and amorphous. Crystal lattice and a unit cell are fundamental concept with packing efficiency